Alright, so this is my Japanese Speedcubing kit clone. It came in this, like, kind of cool packaging. And it shows official products for cube competition. All this stuff about it. And yeah, I guess I'll just unbox it. And I'll make a review later. Something. Nothing else in there. Whoa. The color scheme is like really weird. White is like right next to blue. And it's also next to yellow and green. But red and orange are next. Wow. The turning is actually pretty good. Surprisingly. It can cut corners like, okay, I guess not really that good. Let's see the caps. Wow, the caps actually come off pretty easily. Just like the Japanese Speedcubing kit. It's pretty tight, so I guess I'm gonna have to like adjust the tension on this thing. But yeah. Hopefully it'll turn out to be a good cube. So yeah, just like watch for a review on it.